is a mirror that reflects what you show. Smile at the world and it smiles back below. I cried for the shoes that my feet couldn't wear, till I saw a soul with no feet standing there. Keep your heart simple and free from the fright, and even the darkness will turn into light. If the winds cannot change, we must alter our sail. Trust in the tide and let nature prevail. Time cannot solve every wound in your chest. It just fades the questions and grants us some rest. Oh, destiny lies in the lines of your hand, like a one-way ticket through a beautiful land. We are like fireworks that burn in the dark, to live in the now and to leave our own mark. Hold on to the moment, let sorrow drift free. Life is a book with a cover so gray, and we write every page in our own silent way. Like unsweetened coffee, it's bitter at start, but sweetness will linger deep down in your heart. For life is so cruel, yet it teaches us peace. Through noise we find silence, where sorrows will cease. We struggle and bleed, but we never will yield. Every scar on our skin is a victory shield. For sweetness is found in refusing to bend. We accuse